guys, everything's a bus. Oh hell no. What the f? Oh my god, no, they're so no! What's happening?
God, what's this?
That's what I was screaming at. What were you screaming at?
I'm just screaming.
No.
These are like people with like babies. Like, see, they all have babies.
Yeah, where are you going to take the babies? Oh, maybe it's Snoopy
I
Land?
think this is baby. It's not.
Oh my god, it never ends.
We're never getting in.
Don't say that.
We're getting good in, but like it's gonna take a while.
My god, we're going to have to find some things to talk about, guys.
Hey vlog, happy 2026 for our first video of the year. We have a very exciting vlog because where are we? KNOTT! We are at Knott's Berry Farm, aka an amusement park. We are doing something a little bit different than usual. We're gonna ride some rides and have some fun at Knott's Berry Farm. I think the perfect way to start off the year is just to scream everything out, let the toxic negative energy out, so we're here to do just that. Yeah.
Those tattoo eyes made out of gold. Frosty the snowman was a fairy tale, they say. He was made of snow with the children.
We're gonna meet Snoopy right now. When we went into the cabin, it smelled really good. So we looked around and there was cookies, so it seduced us. So now we bought one. It was $5.
$5 chocolate chip cookie.
Was it worth it? We'll see.
All right. We'll react after we all taste it.
It's like a cookie. It's warm though. A little.
At first it tastes kind of weird at first, but I think it's fine. It's kind of dry. My theory is that they were pumping scents in there and then they mistook it for cookie smell.
Oh, like marketing?
Well, yeah,
They got it.
they got us.
You would think that no one would want to come on a random Tuesday, but I guess everyone had the same idea because everyone is here and most rides are 2-hour waits. So we're just gonna keep it chill, keep it free and open and see what happens, whatever happens, happens type of deal.
I'll check right now.
Yeah, most times are still 2-hour long. The shortest one we can find is like an hour, which is the log ride. So we might just go and do that and be wet all day, but
We're going on a log ride right now, and to determine how we're gonna sit, we're gonna play rock, paper, scissors. I think first loser, the first one to lose will go in the front. Second loser in the back or in the middle?
middle, right? And then the winner
Winner
is
is
the back.
But didn't you win the back?
No, the front is where we-
Okay, fine. Okay.
No, I don't know.
What?
Because you know how it's like the weight, depending on how the order is, it might like go back.
Oh.
Yeah, usually if it's lighter in the front, it's less of a splash. So this could determine it for all of us, actually.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
On shoot or rock, paper, scissors.
rock, paper, scissors, and on scissors.
Okay.
On scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors. Okay, so she's in the front. I wasn't thinking.
Paper, scissors.
Okay.
Back.
Yeah, you're in the back. Okay.
How wet did you guys get? I didn't get too wet. It was just like my arms.
Yeah, I didn't get wet. Just like a little bit.
I got pretty wet. Like sprayed me and my arms are all wet. Hands are a little bit wet. Rip.
The lines are still super long, so we're gonna go and eat. Otherwise, we're gonna be stuck in another line for like 2 hours, and it's gonna be very late. So we're gonna go eat.
We're gonna let it digest or else I'll throw up on them.
Ew. She keeps getting seduced by the scents that they're wafting in the air.
No, I smell popcorn.
I want like a
I know, it does smell like popcorn. You want a churro? She wants popcorn, and I want an icy. We'll do all. And then a spaghetti bolognese with meatballs.
What did you say?
Delicious.
What do you like? You like breadsticks or salad?
Sunny's eating her favorite sausage pepperoni pizza. How is it? Mid.
Dry.
Dry and cold.
Dry and cold. And cold?
And you?
It's like, yeah, mid. Chicken's kind of dry. Actually very dry. And you?
This is very not good. It's like worse than, you know, Sbarro at the mall? Yeah, worse than that. And I'll tell them about the chirpy pizza guy.
The guy that was serving us the pizza was like, I want to imitate it, but I forgot. It was like, hey, you want some pizza? A little bit scary, and he had a big smile on his face, a little bit creepy. So we got a little bit chills.
How about the cheese egg?
Oh, and then like he had a cheesy hand glove because he's like the pasta. Like I know they're rushing, so I get that. But like he like was a cheese.
It was a pizza, yeah.
Oh, I didn't see it that much. But like there's cheese, and he flung it back on.
Yeah.
Like from the table or what?
I think so.
No, it was like he got the pizza and it was like, right? And he's like,
Ew.
not on ours.
Wait, like the melting cheese?
Yeah, the melted
cheese. No way.
Yeah. Guys, everything's a bust. Everything is so long still. Nothing has changed. And in fact, it's gotten longer. And the food was so nasty.
I'm scared. You want to come in?
Oh, you do it. Hurry.
Oh my
Once again,
Jaguar is experiencing a temporary delay in operations. We thank you for your patience and cooperation. Can't see you. We got a drink, a cherry iced tea.
First time in driving.
Please get us back safely.
No.
What the heck?
I have control.
Where is she? Where'd you go? Where is she?
Is there or no?
Where is she? Oh, she's right there.
Get her, get her, get her, get her, get her, get her, get her.
That just looks like a song.
Dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops listen and children listen to hear the sleigh bells in the snow in Calico.
It's not that late. It's only like 6 maybe. But we're leaving. We can't do it. All the waits are 2 to 3 hours long. They got worse throughout the day. Yep. Never got better. Jaguar was supposed to be 90 minutes. It ended up being 2 hours. We couldn't really go on any of the stuff we wanted to go on. We got scammed. We got scammed. Yes, we did. Now to make ourselves feel better, we're gonna go to Baaaaack and eat good food, actual good food. We know this is a Debbie Downer way to start 2026, but you know what?
To end. It's still not 2026.
Yeah, for us, technically, it's still 2025. So we screamed out the negative energy on Jaguar.
We're not bringing it over to 2026.
Yeah. And we encourage you to do the same. And with that, we want to say goodbye and have Have a happy new year. Woo! I'm gonna try to run to our car. Last stretch. 3, 2, 1. Running into the new year.